Vector data. Vector data is commonly the data you will use in your GIS that will represent points, lines, and polygons. This data will continue to draw or look the same on your map regardless of how far out or how close you zoom in on your map. This is because points, lines, and polygons are just points. With points, it is pretty straightforward. The point is an X and Y and maybe a Z coordinate for where it is located on the planet. Think latitudes and longitudes. Lines are a string of points, like a breadcrumb trail, and are linked together by straight lines. Polygons are like lines, but the endpoint will always be linked to the beginning point by a straight line. So vector data draws these points in different ways and will always show them regardless of scale. You can also get specific types of measurements from these different types of vector data. Points will generally just give you the X and Y and maybe the Z coordinate of a point. Lines can give you the length of a line, and polygons can give you the area and perimeter. In ArcGIS, you can work with many different types of vector data file formats. Here are some of the common file types. Shapefile, .shp, a native ArcGIS file type that lives outside the geodatabase. It can be a point, line, or polygon. Each shapefile is composed of several files that GIS software can open and read as a single file. Feature class. Feature classes are similar to shapefiles, but they can only be stored in a geodatabase or a feature dataset. They come in point, line, polygon, and annotation feature classes. These are the best way to store your GIS data since the file type has been optimized for modern Esri software. KMZ, Keyhole Markup Language Zipped, or KMZ, is a native Google Earth data format that can be imported and exported into ArcMap. CAD, Computer-Aided Design, or CAD, is data mostly used by engineers, but it can be used in ArcGIS. This data has point, line, and polygon, but it can be difficult to work with in ArcMap. CAD data comes with the DWG and DXF file extensions. And those are some of the basic vector data.